This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring license validity and admin access, because updates require activation and elevation. Once done, backup documents in Close Word, Excel, and Outlook to avoid file locks. Make sure Windows Update is enabled and you are on a stable connection so downloads don't corrupt. This speeds verification. Next, open Control Panel or Settings to view programs and features. Locate Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2013 so you can start the update procedure directly from the application or Windows Update. Now you initiate the update. Open an Office app, go to File, Account Update Options and choose Update Now, alternatively run Windows Update. Choose to install critical and security patches first to close vulnerabilities. While files download, watch for progress and do not interrupt the network. Throttling or VPNs can slow or break installation. If a restart is requested, let it complete fully before reopening Office. Once installed, verify the build number under Account to confirm the update applied correctly. Finish by checking the Office build and testing key documents and add-ins to confirm functionality. If an item is missing or behaves oddly, run Programs and Features, change Repair to restore Office components. You can choose Quick Repair first, then Online Repair if needed. Make sure to re-enable add-ins and restore templates. If an update fails repeatedly, boot Office in safe mode to isolate add-ins or uninstall the last update and reattempt. One key tip: record any error code exactly. Searching it narrows the fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.